Picture this. You wake up refreshed in the morning sun, ready to start your day, until you realize you missed your alarm. You rush out of bed and get into work until you see your boss and get shouted at. You're hungry, you're tired, and all over the place, so you have the worst day at work ever. And then you get back home and you're so drained of the day, you don't want to talk to your roommates or your friends, and you just want to chill watching some TV. Thoughts of loneliness start creeping into your head, and you start feeling like you don't have anyone to do things with anymore. So the next day you wake up feeling neglected and sad, so another bad day starts again. This is the bad domino effect. One bad thing leads to another, which progressively gets worse and worse and worse as the day goes on. We are emotional people, and we react to bad luck by producing more bad thoughts without realizing it. Yet, the other way is also true. Say you spend a day hanging out with your friends doing something you love. You feel wave after wave of positive emotions, so when you get back home you're full of energy and life. So you decide to, clean your apartment, make a good meal, do all the things that you enjoy doing or need to do. Then the next day you wake up happier and rewarded, and you have a great day at work, and the cycle repeats. Everything we do in our lives is a response to these domino effects. If you don't realize it's happening to you, then you will fall victim to a bad cycle. So to turn a bad day into a good one, you need to break the cycle and replace it with the start of a good domino that can fall into more and more good dominoes and make your days way more positive and rewarding. So, how can we do this? Before we begin to think about how we can switch the dominoes, we are going to need to figure out what your happy triggers are. What do you enjoy doing? What always puts a smile on your face? For me, it's singing my favorite songs or going out for a walk and enjoying nice weather. Yours might be similar. Maybe you feel good playing video games with your friends, or maybe having a glass of wine with a movie to take the edge off. Whatever it is that makes you happy, you need to internalize it, and then we can begin the process. So let's go back to the start of that bad day. You've woken up late for work and you've been shouted at by your boss, and you get home feeling defeated. Instead of lounging around doing nothing and feel sorry for yourself, you need to use a positive trigger to get you back on track and start placing those good dominoes that you can knock down to have a more rewarding day. Maybe watching a funny movie with a glass of wine will get you back in a positive mindset, but use whatever you've internalized as your favorite things to get a smile back on your face, and then we can start laying down the foundations of positive dominoes. So maybe after you've done that positive thing, you feel a little bit better about yourself, so you tidy up a little bit of your apartment that you needed to get done, or you make some delicious food, or you finish off that work that you didn't manage to do because of your bad day. Then, because you've done these things, it gives you a sense of reward. So you feel better about yourself, you feel like you've achieved a lot in the day, and then the cycle continues and you keep doing more and more positive things because you feel good and you have more energy. So, when you feel like you're having a bad day, try to turn it around. The quicker you do it, the better, because as more negative dominoes fall, it's harder to stop the cycle and get yourself back into a positive mindset. But anyway, I hope this has been helpful. Watch this video next and share it with a friend. I've been Ben, also known as MX, and as always, have a great day.